Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to the English Echo.
We're very happy you're here today.
Today, we're going to practice English together in a simple and relaxing way. I'm Sam.
And I'm Sophia.
We're happy you're here today.
Let's learn together.
So today we have a really great topic.
Yeah, it is a very helpful one.
We are talking about human conversations.
Right, how to talk to people easily.
And how to feel more confident.
Exactly. Talking can be very hard sometimes.
Yeah, especially meeting completely new people.
Well, it is scary for many of us.
Mostly if you are an introvert.
Oh, right. Let's explain that word first.
Yeah, that is a really good idea.
The word is introvert. An introvert is a shy person.
For example, someone sitting alone happily.
Yes, exactly like that.
They lose energy in big, noisy groups.
Right. They like quiet spaces much better.
But introverts can be great speakers too.
Oh, definitely. It is just a skill.
So anyone can learn to talk well.
Yes, with a few very simple steps.
Well, that makes me feel much better.
Good. Let's look at the first idea.
So why do we even talk?
Think about a strong bridge.
Like a bridge over a river.
Yeah, communication is just like a bridge.
Ah, I think I understand that.
It connects the idea in your head.
Right, it connects to another person.
Exactly. It brings two people together warmly.
But building that bridge is not easy.
No, it takes some simple daily practice.
But wait, what if I'm too shy?
Too shy to start a conversation.
Yeah. I never know what to say.
Well, you just need the golden rule.
The golden rule. What is that rule?
Do not try to be interesting.
Wait, really? Not be interesting at all?
Right. You do not need a funny joke.
I always try to be funny.
You know, you do not have to.
Then what should I do instead?
Instead, be interested in the other person.
Just care about their simple life?
Yes, ask about their normal daily feelings.
That takes all the scary pressure off.
Exactly. It makes talking so much easier.
So how do I actually start talking?
You can use a method called ORS.
ORS. What do those letters mean?
The word is observe. To observe means to look closely.
For example, noticing a girl eating alone.
Yes, maybe eating in a college canteen.
And she is eating a homemade meal.
Exactly. You observe this small, quiet detail.
Okay, so I looked closely at her.
Right. Next is the letter R.
What does the letter R stand for?
The word is reflect. To reflect means to think deeply.
For example, thinking she misses her family.
Yes. You reflect gently on her feelings.
You guess why she's eating that.
Right. You show some kind, warm empathy.
Okay, and what is the final letter?
The F stands for the word shoot.
Shoot.
Oh.
That sounds a little bit aggressive.
It just means to start talking.
Oh, okay, so I just say something.
Yes, you share your gentle thought nicely.
Like I love homemade food so much.
Right. It is a very easy start.
It is not scary for her at all.
No, it is a very friendly bridge.
Okay, so I started the nice conversation.
Good job. The bridge is completely built.
What? How do I keep it going?
You must be a great listener.
I think I am a good listener.
Well, be careful not to ever interrupt.
Wait, let us explain that word.
The word is interrupt. It means stopping someone speaking.
For example, talking loudly over a friend.
Yes, it is a very bad habit.
But I always say, yeah and wow.
That is listening with your mouth.
Is that a wrong thing to do?
Yes, you are interrupting their own thoughts.
Oh, wow. I thought I was helping.
No, it actually makes them feel rushed.
Wow, I do that all the time.
Many people do. It breaks the rhymthm.
So what should I do instead?
You should always listen with your face.
Listen with my face. How is that?
Use your bright eyes, eyebrows, and lips.
Like, smiling at them gently.
Exactly. A warm smile shows you care.
What about just moving my eyebrows up?
Yes. Eyebrows show you are truly surprised.
And I do not make any sound.
Right. You stay completely quiet for them.
But they still know I am listening.
Yes, they see it on your face.
That is a really wonderful, quiet trick.
It makes the other person feel safe.
They feel like they have quiet space.
Exactly. Space to share more deep ideas.
So they finish sharing their own ideas.
Right. And now they will ask you.
They will want to hear my voice.
Yes. It is your turn to share.
How do I share my ideas well?
You can use the magic of storytelling.
Storytelling, that sounds a little bit difficult.
It is easy if you know the rule.
What is the clear storytelling rule?
To make the listener feel inside the story.
Inside it, like they are really there.
Yes, like they see the exact world.
How do I make them see it?
You must use very specific details.
Let us explain that word too.
The word is specific. It means giving exact, clear details.
For example, saying a red cricket ball.
Yes. not just saying a plain ball.
The exact color paints a clear picture.
Right. It wakes up their sleepy imagination.
What else do I need for stories?
You also need a strong core emotion.
Like missing my happy childhood.
Exactly. Emotion plus very clear, specific details.
Can we try a simple example together?
Sure. Let's talk about playing a game.
We played a fun game as kids.
That sentence is a bit too boring.
Yeah, it has no clear mental pictures.
Let's add some specific details to it.
Okay, we saved exactly 5 heavy coins.
Great. Now add the red-colored ball.
We bought a red cricket ball today.
Good. Now add some fun outdoor action.
We climbed a tall stone wall easily.
Perfect. We climbed a wall to play.
Wow, that sounds much more exciting.
The listener can see everything clearly.
They feel like they're young again.
Exactly. That is a truly great story.
Okay, I have a good detailed story.
With emotion and very specific real things.
But what if my voice sounds boring?
Well, your voice is an amazing instrument.
Like playing a beautiful wooden guitar.
Exactly. You must change the quiet sound.
How do I change my own voice?
You use pitch, clear speed, and pauses.
Wait, let us explain pitch first.
The word is pitch. Pitch is how high or low.
For example, a high voice when excited.
Right. High pitch means happy, warm energy.
And what about a very low pitch?
A low, calm voice means serious things.
So I move between high and low.
Yes. It keeps the listener very interested.
You also mentioned changing talking speed.
Speak fast for normal, daily little details.
Like taking a loud bus to the store.
Right. You say those simple parts quickly.
When do I speak very slowly then?
When you say something very, very important.
Slow down to show it really matters.
Yes. It makes people lean forward quickly.
What about the last tool? The pause.
The word is pause. It means to stop speaking completely.
For example, waiting before a big surprise.
Exactly. It makes people listen very closely.
Let's play a simple game with this.
Okay. Say a boring, flat sentence first.
The dog ran to the park quickly.
That was very flat and quite boring.
Yeah, it sounded like a robot reading.
Try adding some speed changes and pauses.
The dog ran really fast today.
Now try a long pause.
Then it found a huge bone. The pause built so much excitement.
It makes the story feel very alive.
Okay, so we learned so many rules.
But knowing these rules is not enough.
Right, we have to actually practice them.
Yes, you need a simple video practice.
A video practice, what do I need?
Just your phone. It takes 2 minutes.
That sounds very easy to do.
Step 1 is to record a video.
Just talking to the camera all alone.
Yes. Talk loudly about a happy memory.
Like watching a beautiful sunset alone, quietly.
Perfect. Speak for just 2 full minutes.
What is the second step to do?
Watch the video completely on mute.
Mute. Let us explain that word.
The word is mute. Mute means turning off the sound.
For example, watching television with no noise.
Exactly. You only look at your face.
I look at my face and hands.
Yes. Are you listening with your face?
Are my eyes and happy eyebrows moving?
Right. Do you look friendly and open?
That might be strange to see myself.
It is very helpful to learn deeply.
Okay, what is the third final step?
Put the phone down on the table.
So I cannot see the screen anymore.
Right. Only listen to the audio now.
I check my own voice pitch.
Yes. Check your speed and your pitch.
Did I use a good silent pause?
Exactly. You check your vocal musical instrument.
This is a really powerful, simple test.
I have a small, fun challenge now.
A challenge? What is the special challenge?
Do this practice for 7 full days.
Just 2 minutes every single busy day.
Yes. 1 full week of daily practice.
I think I can definitely do that.
It will make you a confident speaker.
I feel ready to talk to anyone.
You have the right simple tools now.
Thank you for listening to the English Echo.
Keep practicing English every day.
Small steps can make a big difference.
See you in the next episode.